Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today for you guys, I have a brand new Adidas Pickup worth $400. So right here, we have a Yeezy 350 V2. I know these are kind of dead, and I'll get to the reason why I bought them in this video. For me, these are one of the Yeezy 350s that I never planned on getting, and I never thought I'd ever get, but I decided to pick them up off of a homie of mine because he gave me a great deal on them. I ended up getting these for $145 in a size 12. So like I said, I believe on StockX and Go, they're a little under 400 right now, maybe more, depending on the size. So at $145, you cannot go wrong. I've owned enough pairs of 350 V2s to know what's real and what's fake. So these are definitely real, and I know he doesn't buy fake. So, and for the shoe, we have the Yeezy 350 V2 Statics. These are one of those 350 V2s that kind of started the every shoe's the same colorway with the 350s. I think once these came out, and then I think the Cloud Whites came out, they just all started getting to those neutral tones, and people started to kind of give up on Yeezy 350s. With retail being $220, which is a lot more than most Nike and Jordan shoes, people just stopped paying retail, and now I think most shoes sell for $20–30 over retail on apps, which after fees and everything, you're not making anything anyways. But like I said, for the price I got them for, you cannot beat it. I got these for under $150, so it's a great deal. I'll give you guys a closer look at the shoe. So as you get into the upper, it is that, I'm not really sure, it's not the zebra print, and it's not just a regular print. It's just different, I guess. It's got all kinds of squares and lines and everything. The laces are reflective on these. They are starting to yellow a little bit, but most static 350s are, especially used on the market right now. Like I said, the reason I picked them up was because they were such a cheap Yeezy 350 in my size. Retail is $220, so getting these for under $150, it's a great discount. No rips, no holes, no nothing. The only main flaw is the yellowing on these, which isn't that awful, honestly. It's not too bad. They do have the Adidas Yeezy insole and the logo mostly still on there, so you can tell he didn't wear them a whole lot. But I mainly get 350 V2s to wear for the gym. I have a pair of Butters I bought for the gym, and then I also have Blue Tints, which are my Grail Yeezy 350. They were my first ever Yeezys I bought for, I believe I got those ones for $200, while market was at $3 something for them, so that was a great deal. Those are probably a 350 I will never sell. These are definitely staying with me. I'll probably end up wearing these as a workout shoe because 350s are kind of dead, and these are just very comfortable to wear at the gym. Here's a closer look for you guys at the shoe. Just a quick look around. I'll show you guys a more in-depth view and some better shots a little later in the video at the end, like always. But I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I picked up. That's all I really have for you guys in this video. I know it was short, but I just wanted to show you my most recent pickup. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want, of course. Thank you for joining me. I hope to see you guys in the next video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace.